Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to switch up your Instagram username. Maybe you want something fresh or just realized it's time for a change. Whatever the reason, I have got you covered. Changing your Instagram username is super easy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So, grab your phone, open up the Instagram app, and let's get started. First, head over to your profile. Tap on the hamburger menu on the upper right. Now go to Settings and Privacy. Now here you have to go for your account center. Once you're there, go to the profiles. Tap on your profile. And here you can see several options: name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Go for your username, and here you can change whatever your username you want to put right now or whatever you have selected. And just heads up, Instagram will check to make sure your new username is available. So if someone else is already using it, you might need to get a little creative. Once you have found your Instagram username that works, hit done on the check mark. And that's it. Your new username is now live on Instagram. So I'm currently not changing my Instagram username. I'll do it later. So yeah, that's it. That was quick and easy. Changing your Instagram username can give your profile a fresh look or better reflect who you are. Now go ahead and share your username that you have followers. Now go ahead and share your new username with your followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you might need. And if you are not already, then hit the subscribe button and ring bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.